Hey there, how's it going? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add a logo in Shopify. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. Then, click the Online Store button on the left. On the Themes page, find your theme and click Customize. This opens the theme customization page. Now, on the left, click the gear icon for theme settings. Just click it. The Themes and Settings tab will open. The logo field is the first option here. Clicking will show the logo option. You'll see a button labeled Select Image. Go ahead and click that option. This opens Shopify's image library. Here, you'll need to upload your logo. Simply click the Upload Image button. Your computer's file manager will open. Go to your Logos folder, select it, and click Open. Your logo will upload and be automatically selected. Finally, just click the Done button. After this, your logo will be added to your Shopify store. Below, you can adjust the logo size. It's 90 pixels by default, but you can change it using the size bar. Increase the size until your logo looks good. I'll set mine to 160 pixels. After adding and sizing your logo, click Save in the top right. Done. Your logo is now added to your store successfully. When you visit your Shopify store, you'll see your logo in the header. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.